The most vulnerable in our states reporting months-long delays for assistance. New tonight, we've learned the state agency in charge of distributing federal food benefits is now reacting to scrutiny into the backlog. KXAN investigator Matt Grant first reported on this issue last week. Whistleblowers inside the agency told him wait times are around 200 days. The federal standard is 30. Now tonight, Matt continues to press for answers with new documents from inside.
The Texas Health and Human Services Commission provided us with this, a recent 62-page corrective action plan. It turns out the agency has been subject to monitoring by the U.S. Department of Agriculture for years for not meeting federal timeliness standards and is required to report periodic updates. This scrutiny stems from issues related to its handling of the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, which helps more than 3 million low-income Texans put groceries on the table. The agency says USDA officials visited them last month, calling it, quote, a technical assistance visit, not an investigation or audit, saying it was about collaboration and brainstorming solutions to stop the months-long wait times, adding it's evaluating takeaways and moving aggressively to reduce the backlog. According to that report, around 30% of SNAP applications were not processed in a timely manner last fiscal year. Between October last year and March, the agency had a nearly 50% procedural error rate processing SNAP applications. And some proposed fixes for next year inside this report are the same ones it implemented more than 3 years ago, including training additional staff and requiring 20 hours of overtime per month. In a statement, the USDA tells me it is working closely and consistently with states that have poor timeliness and requiring them to take swift action to ensure that they are meeting the timeliness requirements described in federal regulations. Congressman Lloyd Doggett of Austin said about the report, it mostly recites prior action shown to be inadequate rather than new corrective initiatives. What's long overdue is a comprehensive plan with clearly articulated benchmarks that the state must meet and immediate adoption of every available tool to deliver relief quickly to families. Doggett was supposed to meet with USDA leaders this week to get an update, but that was postponed. I asked HHSC how many SNAP applicants have been waiting longer than 90 days, but was told that information is not readily available. Matt Grant, KXAN investigates.
And Texas Health and Human Services officials say in October, 74% of SNAP applications were processed within 30 days. Last week, there were 138,000 SNAP applications waiting to be processed longer than 30 days. The agency blames the backlog on a federal requirement to redetermine Medicaid eligibility, along with an increase in SNAP applications, but says it is moving aggressively to increase staffing, training, and retention efforts.